You've got to make it feel always, not just make it feel, you've got to make it act like a software company the whole time. And I think so one of the big questions always is around, talent and people. And I think one of the things that's really interesting about Monument is we are not, just a group of fintech people or a group of ex-bankers. We're a real mix. And, that prompts some really interesting debates. And I love the discussions where our colleagues will say, who have not got a banking background will say, well, why can't we do it like that? And, and I make sure that all the bankers in the room go, listen, and answer that question. Because if you can't answer the question properly, there isn't a good reason why we can't do it like that. And so constantly challenging ourselves. But also at the same time, you've seen some of the neobanks over the last few years have kind of, fallen into a few bear traps. There's certain things you've got to get right. And so I think there is a real advantage also with having, some banking experience in the room. If you've ever had to remediate, a product that's gone wrong and reach out to a bunch of clients and say, I'm terribly sorry, you're never going to want to do that again. And so, you can be very focused on your controls and your governance whilst at the same time not allowing them to slow you down.